So one common misconception that many people have when trying to get started on YouTube is that they believe they need some crazy professional setup with expensive equipment. All right, the first YouTube video that I ever created was with my iPhone 4, and that was long before iPhones even had good camera quality. I was in the gym by myself and I didn't even have a tripod. I had to stack boxes on top of chairs and prop my phone up on a shoe. Super professional, right? But that video ended up getting over 200,000 views. And many of my first videos that went on to build that channel to over 1 million subscribers were filmed by myself with either a phone or a very cheap camera. Remember that you can always improve the equipment later. And what I found is that your quality is going to grow as your channel grows. So as you make more money, you'll be able to invest in better equipment. But the key is simply getting started with what you have. I recommend starting simple, and even look at this. Here's the actual difference in the quality between my $1,000 Sony camera and my current iPhone X. Not that much difference, right? Nowadays, smartphones can get you better than good enough quality, and you can even edit your videos directly on your phone. So, long story short, it has never been easier to create and publish videos that will get views on YouTube. One of our students inside of the VidTraffic Pro YouTube course is a copywriter named Kyle, and he doesn't even like doing videos. He's a writer, but he's still getting hundreds of views every single week filming his videos on his laptop camera. With YouTube, remember that the quality of the content is more important than video quality. Now, I'm not saying that your video quality isn't important. Of course, you should always be trying to improve your quality, but you have to remember that content is king.